Since the past 1 month, I'm trying to build a hybrid between To-Do and Mindmap. So why I like that? Because it's my personal problem that I want to write down task and divide it into subtasks and give some description to any task. So it's kind of like my mentality. If I don't write it, if I don't divide it into subtasks, then I won't be able to do it. That's why I thought that I want to build something, build a to-do app which can have more sub to-dos, and those sub to-dos can have more sub to-dos, and so on till infinity. So that's why I wanted to build this app, and in the mid of it, I thought it would be better if I add a mind map to it. So even if currently it's looking like only a mind map, so believe me, it's a mixture of both, a hybrid of both mind map and and to dos as well. So let's say I have made this project, so I can just tick it, right? Other things that we have here is, so let's say we can, how we can subdivide it. So it's like earn via programming. So make projects, apply for jobs, try luck in freelancing, make online content, things like this. And I can subdivide each task as well. So I can subdivide this, then I can subdivide it more and more and more and more and so on. Let's say currently I only want to focus on applying for jobs, so I can just zoom out to this particular node or this particular graph and only work on it and so on. And if I have just done anything, I can just auto format it. It is just behind the scene, working on some graph algorithms and finding the proper nodes or proper positioning for each of these nodes. I can go back, I can do whatever I want. And the main thing, which we have, the main convenience that we have in to do is write anything down. So just not the to do heading, write more things. For example, in mind map to do, I want to add some description. So in the mind map to do here, I can add some description, right? Whatever description I want. So I have made this kind of markdown editor kind of thing. So I can do it, and I can preview it here at the same time. So let's say heading one and so on, right? And let's say only want to preview it, I can do that. So it's kind of a both. I'm also trying to build some daily to dos. So let's say I want to keep a track of what I have done on, let's say, 23 of March of 25. Then I can do that. I'm trying to add some more things here. So let's say daily activity tracker or daily habit tracker. And at the end of the month, you can just view a graph looking at how many days you were active for any habit and how many days you were not. Or even you can track it for a year or whatever, right? So I'm trying to build that thing is in progress, but yeah, currently I have this. I'm also trying to change UI a bit. I'm not good in UI. Yeah, and I don't think anybody's helping me at the moment working in the UI part. But yeah, I'm trying to uh, refactor it. Previously it was very bad. The UI was very bad. Currently it has improved a bit. So yeah, I just wanted to show you the progress. Other thing that I have in mind is adding AI. So in each and everything we need AI nowadays. So how will I be able to add AI here? So we can give a prompt that I want a mind map, or I want a to-do list for this particular task, and it is going to generate a mind map for that. And you can just visit it and do whatever you want. So it is more like it has generated, you have it, it is now editable as well. So it gives you lots of controls, right? I'm trying to change priorities of tasks. This things slowly and steadily I will add it. So it's like I'm going to use it each and every day. And whatever things I'm looking, if they are not there, then I'll add them. So it's more like for personal use. And let's say in future, if anybody else wants to use it, they can. Yeah, this project is like open source. I'll have the link for the GitHub in the description. And yeah, currently it's only working on basic Google auth, nothing else, nothing crazy. So yeah, you can just do Google auth and you can log in. Yeah, each user has the different things. I've added lots of things uh, like like authentication in front end, back end, everywhere. Yeah. So yeah, this is it. I just wanted to talk about this. Thank you. If you guys have any doubt, you liked it, you want to contribute, let me know. I'm open to contribute.